Good morning! It's our day 3. Where are we going?
To the buffet.
The Windjammer Buffet. Kamusta kayo? To recap lang yung half day na ginawa namin. So early this morning, nag-breakfast kami. And then after namin mag-breakfast, pumunta kami sa Deck 11. Pwede kang mag-running or walk. So merong designated area doon na pwede mong gawin yan. So nag 1 kilometer kami doon. After that, pumunta kami doon sa gym, which is also nasa Deck 11 lang din. Ngayon, kumakain kami dito for our lunch. After nito, babalik kami sa baba, doon sa may promenade, para abangan ko sino ang winner ng Rolex. So, see ya guys!
How are you doing? Free rope bracelet.
Let's cheers to success! Salamat!